Let's put together Hooga's compact stand fitting the Pro and Ultra 1500 and Pro and Ultra 750 red light therapy panels. It comes with the adjustable part you put your panel on, the base, and some screws, and a wrench. I will be using the Ultra 1500 for this video. You want to make sure the top of the panel is matching the top of the stand adjustable part. There are 4 screws, so you will line up the holes in the back of your panel to these areas, like so, and then take those little screws and plop them in, making sure that they're nice and tight. I like to do opposite sides first just to make sure everything is there, and tighten that one, and then go for the other 2 sides. Make sure everything is nice and tight. When putting on the base, we recommend having it on the side of a bed, the side of a table, the side of some boxes, and hanging off a little bit. You want to make sure the short part of the base matches the back of the panel. And what I like to do is I like to put in the middle screw first. You're not going to want that middle screw very tight at first because you're going to want to maybe adjust the stand to fit those other screws and then make sure everything is nice and tight. Then carefully holding onto the panel and the base, lift it onto the ground. To adjust the height of the stand, have one hand on the panel, the other hand here, you'll grasp up and then adjust the height that you want. Once you have that, make sure it clicks into place. Plug in your panel and turn it on, and you're ready to start your full body red light therapy session.